You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
These words, known as the Miranda warning, are ingrained in American culture thanks to countless TV shows and movies. But the story behind them is a tragic tale of crime, justice, and ultimately, irony. This is Ernesto Arturo Miranda. On March 13, 1963, he was arrested in Phoenix, Arizona. His crimes? Stealing $4 from a bank worker and the kidnap and rape of a young woman. Miranda was no stranger to the law, with a history of armed robbery and a juvenile record that included attempted rape, assault, and burglary. At the police station, the victim couldn't positively identify Miranda, but during a 2-hour interrogation, where he wasn't informed of his right to remain silent or to have an attorney, Miranda confessed. This confession sealed his fate at trial. But Miranda's case didn't end there. His lawyers appealed, arguing his confession was coerced. The case went all the way to the Supreme Court, where in a 5-4 decision, they ruled in Miranda's favor. The court stated that the inherent pressure of police interrogation requires suspects to be informed of their rights to avoid self-incrimination. This landmark ruling became known as Miranda versus Arizona, forever changing how police conduct interrogations. The Supreme Court overturned Miranda's conviction and ordered a retrial. Ironically, even without his confession being used, he was convicted based on other evidence and sentenced to 20 to 30 years. In 1975, Miranda was paroled. He returned to a life of petty crime and bar fights in the rougher parts of Phoenix. Then, on January 31, 1976, fate dealt a cruel hand. A bar fight escalated, and Ernesto Miranda, the man whose name became synonymous with protecting the rights of the accused, was fatally stabbed. The ultimate irony: when police arrested a suspect in Miranda's murder, they read him his Miranda rights. The suspect exercised those rights, remained silent, and was never charged. Ernesto Miranda, whose case ensured the rights of countless individuals, became a victim of the very rights he helped establish. Miranda's story is a complex one, filled with crime and legal battles. But his legacy lives on, a constant reminder of the importance of protecting individual rights, even for those accused of terrible crimes. But, here come, here come the